I'm going to teach you how to use Calendar in Airtable. First, open the Airtable base that holds the information you want to schedule. A base is like a project space that contains one or more tables, and each row in a table is a record. Think tasks, events, or meetings. Make sure you're in the table that actually stores those items, since the calendar will draw from this exact table. Next, confirm that the table has a date field. If you don't see one, add a new field and set its type to date. Give it a clear name so everyone knows what it represents. Event date, due date, or meeting date are all great options. Consistent naming helps later when you or teammates switch between views. While you're here, double-check that the date format and time zone are correct for your team, so events land on the right day. Now, create the calendar view. In the View sidebar, select Create New, then choose Calendar. Views don't duplicate your data. They simply offer different ways to look at the same records, which makes this a safe and flexible way to organize your schedule. You'll be prompted to choose which date field powers the calendar. Pick the date field you just verified. As soon as you select it, your records with dates will appear on the calendar. Any records without a date will stay out of sight until a date is added, keeping the view focused and clean. You can always change the chosen date field later in the view settings if needed. Take a moment to explore the calendar. Use the navigation to move between months or weeks, and quickly scan what's coming up. This layout is perfect for spotting conflicts, gaps, and busy stretches at a glance. To dig into details, click any calendar item to open the full record. From here, you can read descriptions, adjust dates, or update fields like assignees and status. Your changes save automatically, and when you close the record, the calendar refreshes to match. If you need to reschedule, simply drag an item to a new date. Airtable updates the underlying date field instantly, so your timeline stays accurate without extra clicks. If you make a mistake, you can always undo right away. When you're ready to loop others in, click Share and Sync for this view. You can share a read-only link, so stakeholders see the schedule without editing, or sync the view where appropriate to keep calendars aligned across tools. Thanks for watching.